guys, Jacob here at ePoolSupply again. We're gonna go over the MasterPools pop-up heads and our recommendation for a direct replacement. So let's go ahead and dive in. MasterPools is a company that was established in 1962. What it was members of SwimQuip, which is a manufacturer, and what they ended up doing, they made, these are some of the original Bad Dog pop-up heads. They were huge. They were 5.5 inches wide. I'm shocked that people still have these in their pools. Good for you. Maybe look for an upgrade down the road, maybe sometime. So yeah, SwimQuip started in 62. They became part of Stay Right in 84. And then in 1989, they separated off into their own company, MasterPools Guild. So now to just kind of represent a bunch of high-end pool builders over the nation. I think they might be international now, but they don't manufacture parts anymore. So, and then when Stay Right happened, Stay Right got acquired by Pentair, but now Pentair has no affiliation with any of it. So we don't recommend calling Pentair about anything for MasterPools. So diving in, we got these beasts of Caretaker heads. They're 5.5 inches again. What it is if you have a MasterPools pop-up head, they look like this wherever they're putting the photo. So that's the original ones. These are the retros. We recommend Caretaker retros. These are the 4-9-2004s. They've got flow adjust nozzle on the inside. And pretty much, they're sonic welded together. So this is one pop-up head. So as you can see here, no matter what I do, I'm not gonna be able to get it out. If you get it out, you broke the head. So take out your old MasterPools pop-up head, you slide this one in there. You can attempt to try to use the Caretaker metal tool, okay? If you have a Caretaker plastic tool, don't use it. Do not even think about using it, okay? You're gonna wanna use the metal tool. That plastic tool will snap, break in half, and then you're out of luck. However, Caretaker makes this beast of a tool that they recommend you use on these MasterPools retros. Because what it is on these MasterPools, you've got 4 little dots here that help slide the pop-up head in. So everything clicks into place, and then you just kind of turn it into place and then loosen it to take it out. If you're doing that with this, again, you might separate the head from the collar and it will not work. This one you're gonna have to go swimming with. Kind of sucks. Don't do it in the wintertime. Do it in the summertime or drain your pool. But ultimately, these MasterPools, they have a little O-ring on there. And my experience with every pop-up head that has O-rings, which is almost all of them now, if these have been in your pool for say 10 years or more, these O-rings swell and they get debris in there and they get real stuck. They really promote the head from not coming out. So this big beefy metal tool might be the option for you. So you're gonna wanna sit there and crank out your old ones and then put the new ones in. So, Caretaker, that's what we recommend for the MasterPools retro right now. So I'm Jacob with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.